Hi everyone, today we look for the image processing video series, uh, how to detect the object using image processing. Object detection is the main part of the in image processing. Basically we look for the simple one to object detect. Basically this is the our image triangle, square and round, and how to we detect this one using image processing. So we move to the code. Basically for lesson 2 we look for the how to read the image, what's happened to the image after the read. In this video we look for reading part is okay. Now we use the subplot. This is the only go we understand. This means what is our step by step. You understand how to image process images. Then we go to the RGB to gray. That means we convert the image RGB into gray. The another part is we do the convert to the black and white. The black and white is the main part in the object detection. Basically we convert to the easy mode, only zeros and ones, white and black. So easy to we detect the image using this conversion. So I show you what happened for the until the black and white. So I run the code. Basically it created the 3 layers when the imread command. The size of the image, and this is the 3 layers RGB. And after the conversion of the black and white, here only 1 layer, logical means zeros and ones for the image. This is our conversion of the image, RGB image, gray image and black and white. Basically this is our original image, and this is a gray image. The black and white, we only zeros and ones here. For easy to be look for this one, we get the image perfectly what are the objects here using the IM to PW. That means conversion of black and white. So now how to detect for these 3 objects. Now we move to the next part, find the edges. There are edges. There are a lot of algorithms in Matlab. I use the canny algorithm to how the detection of the edge means there's only black and white here. the algorithm used to find the where the edges are in the positions. That's why you do here. Now look for the images. Created the HI logical image. This is the image. It is fine for the adjacent created here. Our next part is we converted the image for the edge detection image. There is a field image. We want to detect the image. Here we detect the image, edge detection using. Now we detected area using fill the holes. There's the IM fill. Keyword is the IM fill. IM fill. This is the edge detected image and filled image. Here we fill the area of this one using holes. Our holes. We put the holes. Using holes. Fill the image using holes and fill the image. Now we will find that these regions using the how to use the keywords for the detect the regions. And basically this command states regionprops filli, the images of filli, image of the filli, find the regions. Now you can find this. Here shows a 3-into-1 struct. That means there are 3 objects are here. We find it, 3 objects here, and how to mark it. That's the next our target. That's I using the that one is the number of region and length states. The length states mean 3, so length states equal to 3, so number of region also 3. It is I use for this one, it is differ from any other images or number 4, 5, 6, 7 objects. So these 4 loops run for the 1 to 3, and rectangle those objects. I copied for all the code and run it. Is nicely, you see here the objects are detected in the original image. This triangle is pointed and square, round and square. Basically this is a simple part of the object detection. We look for our next video furthermore in object detection. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.